Okay, I'm going to do it again. Control hold. I'm going to give the name for this table, but we'll call dividend dividend table. Let's say table is being wrong. I'll check D table. Okay, D table. Now I'm going to use the able bit. I say the name correctly. Copy. I'll give the example. What's the problem with the example? So I'm going to copy this file. I'm going to set it. Okay. Now I have a doubt which table I selected again. I had to come here and check it. KFP keys food product. So like that. I had double check it like that. For to avoid this confusion, I'm going to use that what you call this cell bracket equal cell bracket double quotation row double quotations bracket close equal row open bracket close bracket. Okay. Control A conditional format new rule over here. Don't need to select, so I try to select format. I'm going to give the color like that. That color is good for me. Okay, now you can able to see that. So from here you have to press F9. So for to avoid that problem also, for in able bit website you can find that one VBA code and copy this full code. So for that you need to enable the what we call developer option. For how to enable developer option and more. Advanced. Custom ribbon. Home developer option. You can able to see that code etc. So when after enable you will get the developer option, and you have to save the file XLSM extension. Save as, otherwise the VBA not going to work. Desktop. Here XLSM my Excel macro enable, okay, that format. Otherwise the VBA each time you open it you have to copy that conditional function work, but VBA not going to work. So you open it, so to automatically open in sheet number 2 D.D. For me I don't want to open it, I need to open it what you call there's too much table. No, not too much sheet D.D. Yes, D.D over here. Double click sheet number 10 D.D. If you have navigation that problem, right click view code, paste it, save, close. Okay, now I'm going to find that Control V. Automatically select this line. No, I don't have any problem. For me to confusion, I'm going to select this table, change the color format. Why it's not change it? I don't know. It's not a problem for me, so that's the change. Oh, I don't like that. Yeah, why is changing? I selecting this line, that's why it's changing like that. Okay, that's a mistake. Okay. We say leave the color blue and red, white. Okay. Okay. Thank you. I hope you learned something.